Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied practice set 6.2 that was based on median. Now in this video we are going to study practice set 6.3 and examples of this practice set are based on mode of group frequency distribution. As you know that there are three measures of central tendency: mean, median and mode. We already learned mean and median. Now in this video we will study mode. First example, the following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center, and the center and the content of the milk measured by lactometer. Find the mode of the fat content. We have to find the mode. Now here content, first row is of content of fat, it is in percentage 2 to 3%. Milk collected liters, 30 liters, means 30 liters milk is collected having fat 2 to 3%, 3 to 4% fat 70 liters, 4 to 5% 80 liters, 5 to 6% 60 liters, 6 to 7% 20 liters. That is the information. Now for mode, first of all, from this given table, now milk collected, this is frequency and this is class. Okay, this is class, this is frequency. Now from this table and from the row of frequencies, these are frequencies. From these frequencies, first of all, you select highest frequency, maximum frequency. Now let's see which is highest frequency: 30, 70, 80, 60, 20. 80 is highest frequency, maximum frequency. You write it as F1. Highest frequency take as F1. Okay. Previous frequency, then F1 you take 0, F0. And next of maximum you take F2. Means in this here three frequencies we need. First you take highest, you write down for that F1, previous frequency F0 and next frequency F2. Now write down these values in the solution. Now from this table write given values. F1 is equal to 80. F0 means previous 70, next to highest F2 is equal to 60. After that, what is highest frequency? 80. And from the class of highest frequency, here from the class of highest frequency, you take this value as L, lower limit. But of which class? Here are three classes. We have to consider the class having highest frequency. Highest frequency is 80, therefore class is 4 to 5. And from that lower limit you take as L. L is equal to 4. And what is difference? H, 5 minus 4, upper limit minus lower limit, difference is of 1. These are all given values. Now the formula for mode. Therefore, mode is equal to L plus in bracket highest frequency F1 highest minus F0 previous upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close multiplied by H. This is the formula to find mode. Mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 is maximum frequency minus previous upon 2F1 twice of highest minus F0 minus F2 bracket close multiplied by difference H. Now put all values and find out mode. L is 4 plus in bracket F1, all values are here only, 80 minus 70 upon 2 multiplied by F1 80 minus F0 70 minus F2 60 bracket close multiplied by difference is of 1 is equal to 4 plus, now let's solve this, 80 minus 70 10 upon 2 minus 80, 160, minus, you can add them directly, 130, bracket close, multiplied by 1. Okay, now I continue here, is equal to 4 multiplied by 10 upon 160 minus 130, 30, multiplied by 1, no need to write now, is equal to, sorry, here is 4 plus, not mine, multiply, 4 plus, now here this 0 we can cancel, okay, 0 we can cancel, 4 plus 1 upon 3, now here either you do cross multiplication or you reduce here, then add 4, 4 plus, now if we reduce by 3 to 1, 0 point, here 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, and we get here 4.33, 4.33, and this is the mode of fat content, 4.33%, a percentage, 4.33 percentage you can write. Now let's see example number 2. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. Now we have to find mode for use of electricity. Now again here two rows are here. This is of class and this is of frequency. First of all, we have to select from this frequency group highest frequency, maximum frequency, 13, 50, 70, 100. 100 is maximum frequency. Therefore, we will consider this value as F1, means highest frequency. Previous frequency F0, 70 F0. Next frequency F2. This is very easy. First highest frequency, previous, next. F1 highest, previous F0, next F2. Now class with highest frequency 100, class is 60. Therefore this 60 you take as L, lower limit. And what is difference? Difference is of 20, means L value. Let's write all these given values. F1 100, F0 70, F2 80, L 60, H difference is of 20. Now the formula for mode. Therefore mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F1, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, bracket close, multiplied by H. Now put all the values in this formula. Is equal to, mode is equal to L is 60 plus in bracket F1 100 minus F0 70 upon 2 multiplied by F1 100 minus 70 minus F2 80, bracket close, multiplied by difference is of 20. 60 plus subtraction here 30 upon 200 minus here addition, same sign addition, 150 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60 plus in bracket 30 upon 200 minus 150, 150, here I remove this bracket, multiplied by 20, 60 plus, now here 0 we can cancel, this 1 0, 5 1s are 5, 4s are 4 3s are 12, is equal to 72, and this is the mode. Example number 3, group frequency distribution of supply of milk to hotels, and the number of hotels is given in the following table. Find the mode of the supply of milk. Here milk is given and number of hotels. Now as you know now, first of all select highest frequency, 7, 5, 15, 20, 35, 35 is highest. Use, consider it F1, previous F0, next F2. Class having highest frequency 9 to 11 and therefore L value 9, lower limit, and difference is of 2, 11 minus 9, 2. Write all these values here. F1 is equal to 35, F0 is equal to 20, F2 is equal to 18, L is equal to 9 and H is equal to 2. Now write down formula. Mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H. Now put all values in this formula. Mode is equal to L. L is 9 plus in bracket F1 35 minus F0 20 upon 2 multiplied by 35 minus 20 minus F2 18 bracket close multiplied by difference is of 2 is equal to 9 plus in bracket 35 minus 20 15 upon 70 minus 38 bracket close into 2 9 plus 15 upon, now here subtraction 40 30 32 multiplied by 2 9 plus reduction by 2 1s are here 16 2s are 32 15 upon 16. Now 9 plus here reduction now. Here I do 15 divided by 16 0 16 0 here 15 0 decimal point 2 digits, therefore it is 9.94. Therefore mode is 9.94. Let's see example number 4. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patients. First row is age of years and second number of patients. Less than 5. Less than 5 means 1 to 5. Less than 5, 1 to 4. Less than 5, 1 to 4. Or 0 to 4. 5 to 9, 10 to 14. If you observe here upper lower limits of each class, these are different. As in median, we make them equal for continuous classes. Here also we have to make these classes, continuous classes, same. Means one more extra column we have to add in that. Here continuous classes, because these lower upper limits are different and we have to make them equal, and that's why continuous classes having same, we have to add one extra column in the solution. Now let's draw this table by vertical way. Dear friends, in solution I have drawn the same table but it is vertically. Age in years, this is the first row of the example, number of patients, and here this we have added continuous classes, because here less than 5 means 1 to 4, here 5 to 9, 9 to, these are different and we have to make them equal. Now less than 5 means 1 to 4, right? 1 to 4. Difference is of here 1 only, 9, 10, 14, 15, 19, 20, difference is of 1 between upper and lower of next consecutive continuous coming. Now as difference is of 1, half of 1 is 0.5. 0.5 subtract from 0, subtract from 1, that becomes 0.5. Add 0.5 here, less than 5 is 4, 4.5. Did you understand this? Less than 5 is what? Less than 5 is here 1 to 4. Now you see here 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. Add 0.5 here, 4.5. Subtract from here 0.4, 4.5. 4.5. 0.5 subtract from 5. Add here 9.5. Subtract from here 9.5. Add to this number 14.5. Subtract from this 14.5. Add here 19.5. Subtract from here 19.5. Add here 24.5. Subtract from here 24.5. Add here 29.5. Now you see upper lower limits of continuous classes are same. Now take maximum frequency 38, 32, 50, 36, 24, 20. This is highest. Therefore, I take this as F1. F1 50. Previous F0. F0 here 32. Next F2 32. The class with highest frequency 50. Class is this now. Therefore 9.5 you take as L. L is equal to 9.5 here of this, and difference is of 14.5 minus 9.5 5. Difference is of 5 now. Write all these values. F1 is equal to 50, F0 is equal to 32, F2 is equal to 36, L is equal to 9.5, and difference is equal to H. 14.5 minus 9.5 5. Now formula of mode. Write down formula now. Here I write. Here I continue. Mode is equal to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H. Now put values. L lower limit 9.5 plus in bracket F1 50 minus 32 upon 2 multiplied by 50 minus 32 minus 36 bracket close multiplied by H multiplied by difference is of 5. Okay, here I wrote, you write it. 9.5 plus subtraction now 32 minus 50 minus 32 18 upon 100 minus addition here 68 bracket close into 5. Difference 9.5 plus 18 upon 32 multiplied by 5. 9.5 plus, now here 90, 18 5 are 90 upon 32 is equal to 9.5 plus, now we have reduced here by 32, or by 2 also we can do here. By, if we reduce by 2 then 45 and here 16. Now 45 upon 16. Let's divide here. Here I do 45 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. Here 13 0 decimal point. 8s are 16 8s are 20. 1s are 2.81. 2.81, and if we add here we get here 1 as it is, 8 plus 5 13, 3 1 carried over, 12.31. This is the mode of this exam.